Oh hey! Today I'm going to be customizing a pair of Air Force Ones. Air Force Ones, better known as all-white crispers. Now you guys have probably never seen these before, and just take a look at them. Something just about this all-white shoe, I can't even look at these. So I think that we're going to paint them. Sorry, I don't, sometimes it just takes over me. But as you can see, we're now here in the lab. This is where we paint all these shoes, and I think it's time we take the time to say thank you. Thank you to all of our satisfied little ducklings for coming back and watching me during these times. There's been something on my mind. It's a little dark. Now you guys know me. I'm not somebody who will ask for likes. I don't even care about them. I really don't. I only care about one thing. Satisfying my little ducklings. But if you can find it in you, leave a like. Okay, that's all. Okay, let's go. That didn't... Okay, I got it now. Satisfied? In case you couldn't tell, I painted these shoes to look like a watermelon. Do you guys want to see a quick 360 of them? Now, I think it's time that we put them right here on this wall. Now, I want to show you guys something. I took this picture of the shoes, and it looks like they're floating. And you're probably wondering, how did I do that? Come on, I'll show you. So, here's my bedroom wall I painted, and you just go... Also, don't forget, this Saturday, new SaTISfyiNg merch drops. So, if you're interested, maybe, just maybe, click it, check it out, maybe, if you like it, if you're satisfied. But I want to know, what else do you guys want to see? I mean, summer's coming, so if you want to see me make a cake, build a pool, paint my school, even though it closed, maybe paint a baby, whatever you guys want, I'm here to satisfy. But thank you guys for 5 million. Maybe subscribe, and that's all. Does anybody want just one right shoe? Because I only painted one of them.
This is my first time watching this, so apparently he's impersonating me. I don't know.
Oh, hey! Today I'm going to be customizing a pair of
Okay. Already with the watermelon.
Something just about this all-white shoe. Sorry, I don't...
Man, I don't even dab that much.
To all of our satisfied little ducklings for coming back.
The watermelon.
A little dark. Now you guys know me.
No! This clip, you see it? I literally wore this exact same thing. Same chain, same shirt, boxers. Now we got the customs. Even the music is spot on. Okay. Painting watermelon with the shoe. I didn't think of that. And a watermelon shoe. Oh, that looks like a shoe I would do too. That's weird. So are you guys like sending me these or because I like them? Okay, one little thing though. I noticed the way you wear beanies. I'm sorry, man. We'll talk. You gotta fix that. It's a little bit like this.
Now I want to show you.
I love the boxers. The boxers is the best part, honestly. The amount of jump cuts you put. Okay, I do that. That's fine. Only painted one shoe? Okay, you're gonna expose me with that one. Okay. Alright, overall this video, okay. Haven't seen a good video like this for a while, so I actually got a real good laugh out of it. If I'm being honest, this is my favorite video you've ever done. So, not just because it's about me, but, you know. And the shoe, edits. Make sure to subscribe to this guy, guys, if you're not already. This guy's, I even learned from him, so. There you go. See ya.